Uh-oh, he's a runner. He's a track star. He gonna do anything to get away from the cop car. Running the 4-4, he gonna get far. Yo, what's going on, everybody, man? This your boy Dave. Today I'm bringing y'all another reaction video. I just want to say this before the video start, right? I know I just sniffed and it sounds like I'm congested, and it's because I am, right? I got my nasal spray right here. I don't know, bro. What's wrong with me, bro? Like, this nasal spray opens up my nose where I can breathe, right? But and it's currently 10:20 a.m. when I'm recording this video. Probably by like 1:30-ish, this nostril might be stopped up. Like, my nose is constantly, like, when I wake up in the morning, my nose be stopped up. Anywho, I just want to explain that just so somebody try to say something stupid like I do drugs, like coke or something like that, because I sniff a lot. Like, it is what it is. Anywho, man, that video is called Nature Stakes Bite, Back, Fails of the Week by Fail Norman. If y'all new to the channel, y'all make sure y'all leave a like, y'all comment, subscribe, new, all that stuff like that. I gotta go do this because these bright ass lights and ain't no air circulating in this room, so I gotta go cut my light on, cut my air on. But we're gonna start the video. What the? Whoa! Hello, Kyle. Buddy, I did something similar to like that, but it went with that. Oh my God, he an ex-go. I beat that horse ass. Go. Is she drunk already? She got cake though. Hey, we all looked at it. You can't say we didn't. That's why I hate cats. What the cat doing?
No, soltá, soltá, soltá. Es mi trabajo. Soltá, es mi paciente.
Juta, Jut. I don't know. For some reason, Rush Hour popped in my head. I don't know why. My man's got all that furniture was in your house. Hell no, hell no. Go back. That's a commercial for an F-150. You ain't gonna tell me otherwise. Look at this shit. I'm sorry. Look at this stuff. All this came out your house and on the back of, I mean, it's scraping the ground, boy. Damn. That whole built Ford tough. Ooh, pick that woman plant up, bro. You know what? I would have watched this, but the way how that commercial came in right on time to block that, I pass. Oh! Do it again. Hey, what family Ferris belong to? Raccoons and all that? And there y'all go, y'all nasty little kids. I be reading y'all TikTok comments, bro. Y'all be asking girls, "Well, do it fart." There you go.
You got your bike down. And that's the car.
Don't you just love it when you do a really cool makeup look and then you go to remove it with oil and then you slowly regret it? I'm stained. I'm stained.
Who was you supposed to be?
This ain't gonna come off.
What did you
I
get?
have to accept the fact that I'm stained purple.
You could be Barney.
I'm gonna be like this for the next night.
Don't call it
I
the
look
word.
like a bloody grape.
Great. Maybe a raisin. See, it's bad that you hit the ground, but you rolled, so that's even worse.
They think the rope is
What you get mad at the plant for?
Merde! Oh!
This fool jumped in the water. The boat was going in the water. It wasn't for the tip or nothing. You just gonna jump in the water. Uh-oh, he's a runner. He's a track star. He gonna do anything to get away from that cop car. Running the 4-4, he gonna get far. That boy gone. You ain't catching him. What the hell?
Oh no. It's okay.
Man, when is my nose gonna open? Imagine when he called AT&T, he tell him what happened to his phone. A fish stole it. Think about that for me. What the hell was that? Oh.
Juliana, one at a time.
Oh, wow. She got the attitude. Sonic, that look like death. I don't want that. I don't want no Red Bull. So I know for a fact that that was $6 too. Do you know we can see you? Is that beer?
I want to get back to the celebrating.
Count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Person like me would have ripped on 2. Let me do it.
Nope, it's all sticking. It's all still sticking.
Man, if you don't rip that mother...
It's all still there!
You got it.
I got some.
Y'all gotta give me props too. I don't cuss as much as I used to. I don't know if y'all realize that or not. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do better for my YouTube. You know, YouTube. You see me? I'm out here. I'm making improvements. I done went rehab for my cussing. You know, help me out, man. Y'all don't know what all I've been through with YouTube, bro. Only like my close friends, bro. Like y'all don't know. My channel's been this close to getting deleted at least 6 times. 6. I'm not lying. Come on, man. You ain't done spinning. Keep going. Season 4. I know Spanish. Hey, quick. I know this is beside the point, but check this out, right? So I was looking at my college transcript the other day. Why I got an A in calculus too, but I got a D in elementary Spanish? I don't know. I don't know.
No, man. Are you alright?
Give him a look.
Damn.
So the whole hill is on fire at this point.
What the hell y'all at? Hell ain't no cuss word, cause hell is a real place.
Santa Barbara. That's not a
That's what
small fire.
y'all be paying $6,000 a month, and then y'all apartments be catching on fire like that. Damn, Cali. I love Cali. Don't get me wrong. I love y'all, man. I ain't never been, but I mess with y'all, bro. But I'm not paying. Oh, Nope. Look, by the right hand corner. I stopped it. Look, that's the end of the video. If y'all liked it, enjoyed it, anything of that nature, y'all make sure y'all leave a like, y'all comment, subscribe. With that being said, I'm gonna holler at y'all later.
Oh God! Help us out!
This nigga's on the ground crawl.
Nah, Cody, bro. You suck. First night we played that.
Why are you just looking?